The power of few, mastering the use of few. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we are diving into the world of quantifiers, specifically focusing on the word few. Understanding the proper usage of this term can truly refine your English language skills. So let's get started. The term few is a quantifier in English language. It's used to indicate a small number of something, usually something countable. For instance, we say, I have a few friends, meaning that the number of friends I have is not large. Remember, few is typically used with countable, plural nouns. We wouldn't say, I have few apple, but rather, I have few apples. One common point of confusion in English language learning is the difference between few and a few. While they sound similar, their implications are quite different. Few, on its own, has a negative connotation, meaning not as much as may be expected or wished for. For example, few people showed up to the party implies disappointment about the number of attendees. In contrast, a few is more neutral or sometimes even positive. Saying, a few people showed up to the party, doesn't necessarily imply disappointment. It might be exactly the number the speaker was expecting. Let's look at some examples of how few can be used in sentences. 1. Few books on the shelf were interesting. Implies disappointment in the selection. 2. I've made few mistakes in my essay. Implies regret or disappointment. 3. Few tourists visit during the winter. Implies it's not a popular time. That wraps up our exploration of the term few. Remember, few means a small number, is used with plural countable nouns, and often implies disappointment or negativity. We also learned about its contrast with a few, which is more neutral. With this knowledge, you can now use few effectively in your everyday conversations. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.